Welcome to era of laziness. Centuries? I don't know. I'm not that old. It shoots in 3K resolution. This is an affordable camera. Now you gotta be very careful when you are going live on this camera. Why? Why? What? Why? What? It has 9 axes of stabilization. Maybe there was something that you didn't want your audience to see. The camera has a built-in stitching. See, now this is not your ordinary view. This is 360 virtual reality view because you can move around, look in every direction possible. Or turning on the gyro, they will be moving phones around to look around. It's a good thing to keep your viewers healthy and slim. Your whole room turns into a tiny planet. Otherwise, I will drop this camera from my FPV aircraft from an altitude of 400 meters into beautiful Xiang River. Yeah, I know that's a bad look, man. That's a very disappointing look right here. Welcome to the era that's gonna make you fat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishan Mo here. Traditional cameras have existed for a very long time. I know I said too many very, just to tell you in my poor English that traditional cameras have been around for decades. Centuries, I should say. Maybe. Centuries? I don't know. I'm not that old. Anyway, traditional cameras are getting boring, man. I mean, with the traditional camera like this one, and this expensive and newest Panasonic Lumix, what model is it? DCTZ90, which says that it has post focus and I don't know how many kinds of features. Still, a traditional camera, the views can be very boring because with these cameras you have to move them around looking at your object that you want to shoot. You move around a lot. Well, it's good because you lose your fatness. You get slim because you move around a lot. New era has come now where you don't have to move the cameras around all the way to look into that direction you want to shoot. Welcome to era of laziness. Welcome to the era that's gonna make you fat. And you're gonna be happy being fat. I'm not gonna be happy being fat, but anyway, welcome to the new era of laziness where you just hold the camera in your hands in one direction and don't move it. Don't move it, because if you move it, you will make very funny results. Now, these are called 360 virtual reality cameras. And they have dual 360-degree lenses on them. Now, what happens when you use these cameras and step into the world or the era of laziness? Well, you hold the camera just like this, static, and don't move it. Your viewers, the people who are watching the video, can move the footage around and freely look around in literally every direction that this camera is shooting at. And that's why I'm saying you don't have to move this camera around because then you will mess up the footage. So you keep these 360 degrees camera static in one direction and you provide your viewers, people who are watching your video, an immersive 360-degree virtual reality experience. Now they can use their smart devices and move the footage around, look in every possible direction. They can use their computer, use the mouse to move the footage around, or best of all, they can use virtual reality goggles and simply move around their head and bodies to look around and enjoy the footage that you have recorded. Now, well, if you have a virtual reality goggle and you can walk and look around, you won't be fat anymore because you'll be doing some good exercise. At least your neck will not be fat because you will be moving your head around a lot. Anyway, so introducing Wunder 360 C1 virtual reality camera. So this is a 360 VR camera. It uses two lenses. It's a dual 360 lenses on this camera. It has a Wi-Fi feature so you can connect to your smart devices. It has 9 axes of stabilization, so you can run around with this camera. Remember, once again, to keep it static, don't move it around, don't focus it towards the object, just hold it like an Olympic torch and you can run around to shoot an immersive virtual reality video. So 9 axes of stabilization, that's a lot stable footage. That is a lot of stable footage. Not only that, it shoots in 3K resolution. Well, why not 5K? There are cameras with 5K, I know one of course, but anyway, this is an affordable camera. A 5K resolution camera can be very expensive. This is an affordable camera, so this is much more in this price. You get a 3K resolution 360 virtual reality video shot and 4K virtual reality photo shot. And the list of features does not stop here. The camera has a built-in stitching. That means you don't have to use a separate software to stitch that 360 virtual reality footage. It will automatically stitch the footage for you while it's recording in real time, so you can share that video that you have shot instantly to your social media and bring your followers to an immersive 360 virtual reality video so they can enjoy it, enjoy looking around, not being lazy, sitting one place, clicking mouse. But now they will be moving mouse, they will be moving their fingers on their phones or turning on the gyro, they will be moving phones around to look around. It's a good thing to keep your viewers healthy and slim. Wait. The features don't just end in this camera. You can even go live with Wunder 360 camera on Facebook and YouTube using its live feature. So using its live feature, people can watch, look around in your room, look everywhere, literally in your room or wherever you are, while you are live with this camera's live feature. Now you gotta be very careful when you are going live on this camera, because there's no hiding in this camera. People can move the view around. They can freely look around in literally every direction, and if you're not careful, they might be looking at something very secret and interesting in your room. So make sure to clean up your room, hide your secret items in your room before you actually shoot a 360 VR virtual reality live video and go live on those social media platforms. Last but not least, you can still edit the recorded footage. Editing is good because you can cut out those parts you don't want people to watch. Right, so you can edit the videos using your smartphone instantly after you have recorded the video and downloaded the video in your editor on your smartphone. You can edit the video. You can be a director with the Wunder 360-degree AI artificial intelligence feature of video editing, where you can simply put some tags and direct the view automatically, keeping your audience watching what you want them to watch. And of course, it will also offer you the intelligent and smart object tracking, where the object will be tracked automatically and keep it in the view of 360 virtual reality. So the view will move automatically, keeping the object in center. You can trim the footage, you can apply filters, you can change the sounds, and then instantly upload the video to your social media and share it. Now, good news for iOS users, I mean the iPhone, iPad users, because they have complete access to all these intelligent smart features. And if you're an Android user like I am, yes, a big disappointment. Why? Why? What? Why? Why? I mean, why? What kind of heinous crime did we Android users did that you don't offer us those features in this video editor? Yeah, I know, that's a bad look, man. That's a very, very disappointing look right here. Yes, I'm actually disappointed in Wunder 360 that you don't offer Android users. There are millions of Android users. We are wearing your badges. We are making videos and promoting your products, and you don't give us those features, the tagging, the directing of view, the artificially intelligent smart object tracking. Yeah, I know, that's a bad look, man. That's a very, very disappointing look right here. Anyway, let's cut up with that. I hope you are gonna give us those features on Android phones very, very soon. Otherwise, I will drop this camera from my FPV aircraft from an altitude of 400 meters into beautiful Xiang River of Zhuzhou and say goodbye to it. Yes, speaking of that, I want to add this camera, install this camera on board an FPV aircraft and give you a beautiful immersive 360 virtual reality aerial tour of our RC airport, the beautiful Xiang River, the old smoky chimney, and maybe even fly over my apartment area so you can look around over a stadium and bring you to 2 different bridges even at night so you can have beautiful immersive virtual reality video. Now, I have spoken so many times about VR and 360 virtual reality. Some of you must be wondering what this guy is speaking about for so long time. Well, I can explain real quick. Pick up the camera, turn it on, okay? Alright, once the camera is turned on, I'm just going to keep it here, alright? And I'm going to go to Wi-Fi. You will find a panel Wi-Fi in your smartphone. Click on it so it starts connecting. Go download Wunder 360 app. Click on it. Click on this green icon here and you will have this view. Check it out. See, now this is not your ordinary view. This is 360 virtual reality view because you can move around, look in every direction possible as you want it. And not only that, one moment, we have settings. And I can turn the gyro on. Now, I can actually move the phone in various directions, and as the phone moves, the whole view keeps moving. How amazing it is, how immersive it is. That is 360 virtual reality. Not only that, you can turn the view into Tiny Planet and your whole room turns into a tiny planet. Check this out. You can literally see everything in my room. And that is what I was talking about. Be very, 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 very careful when you are going live with this camera, because this is the view where people are looking at you, but you don't know. Some people are looking behind the camera. Maybe there's something secret on that table that you didn't want your viewers to see. Maybe there was something that you didn't want your audience to see, like I didn't want them to see the 6-wheel drive sitting here, like I didn't want them to see, where is it, that beautiful truck there, because I'm keeping the videos of this truck's secret at the moment. But anyway, so as I said, you be careful when you go live with this camera, because people are actually watching an immersive live view of your room or the area where you are in. So people, this is 360 virtual reality, and now I hope you have understood what is 360 virtual reality. I'm gonna make an update 360-degree virtual reality video so you can see what is going on and what is coming next on my channel for all of you to watch and enjoy. Yes, a lot of exciting updates, a lot of exciting contents coming your way. Enjoy, and don't forget to check out 360-degree virtual reality playlist on my YouTube channel, where you can watch all my 360-degree virtual reality videos, and of course many more videos coming with this camera. To stay updated, it's very, very simple. Just subscribe to my channel and stay updated for all the upcoming new uploads. I hope you enjoyed this lengthy video, and thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like this camera, link is in video description. Go check it out.